If you are an owner of these models, you may have met following problems. The standard H7 LED headlight bulbs didn't fit your car. You tried the universal adapter and standard H7 LED bulbs, but they didn't work. Are you still looking for compatible LED headlight bulbs or adapters for your vehicle? Lasfit designed custom-made H7 LED bulbs, directly plug and play, no need other retainer adapters. In this video, we show you how the standard H7 LED bulb with the universal adapter and special H7 LED bulbs work on this special H7 headlight housing. Twist out the OEM headlight bulb. Take out the halogen bulb. Take out the base collar. Put the universal adapter on the LED bulb. Put the base collar back on. The universal adapter is rotatable. Can't fix with the base collar. Install them on the headlight housing. The black adapter lock on the housing socket. But the LED bulb is still rotatable and very loose. The special H7 LED bulb was specially made for this special type. The adapter and base collar is integrated. Install it on the headlight housing. It's easy to lock it in place. Very tight and secure. Use a little flathead screwdriver to pop out 2 wires. Remove the OEM black retainer holder. Please use the insulating tape to fix the plug to prevent leakage of electric current. We tested these special H7 LED headlight bulbs on Hyundai Tucson 2018 to 2019. Hyundai Ioniq 2019. Kia Sedona 2016. Lasfit designed several other special H7 LED bulbs for some models of Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Hyundai and Kia. If your OEM H7 retainer holder is one of these types, you can check other videos in Lasfit channel. Thank you for your support to Lasfit.